Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Fitriani with study number E 103123 1070, Class B Regular A, Government Science Study Program, Faculty of Social and Political Science, Tanjung Pura University. Okay, now I will discuss a journal with the title An Analytical Study on the Intervention of the Legislature to the Constitutional Court in Indonesia compared to developed countries. Explore the dynamics between the legislative and judicial branches, focusing on the extent and implication of legislative intervention in the Indonesian Constitutional Court compared to developed countries. This research used a normative juridical approach, utilizing secondary data from legal documents and comparative studies. The result obtained legal position on the relationship between the legislature and the constitutional court. 1. Efficient the legislative on the appearance of judges. This paper explains how the legislative body DPR in Indonesia has significant power in the process of appointing judges of the Constitutional Court. This intervention is very important because it can affect judicial independence and impartiality. Comparison with developed countries show that although legislative bodies in many countries have a role in the appointment of judges, existing mechanisms and protection to ensure judicial independence very significant. The author argues that maintaining judicial independence is essential to upholding the rule of law and ensuring fair education against constitutional issues. 2. Comparative analysis. By comparing Indonesia with the developed countries, the author highlights the different practices and protection used the reduced legislative inputs. In many developed countries, there are explicit legal provisions that limit the extent to which the legislature can intervene in the judicial process. This provision often does not exist or is that strong in Indonesia, creating potential vulnerable its judicial independence. Then, comparative analysis of legislative intervention against the Constitution. The study categorizes legislative intervention into various aspects, such as appointment, qualification, term limit, and impeachment of judges. It states that although political considerations are inevitable in this process, the level and manner of legislative intervention can have a significant impact on judicial independence. Comparison with practice in other countries provide insight into how Indonesia can strengthen its judicial framework. This paper concludes that although some forms of legislative intervention are legally allowed in Indonesia, clearer boundaries and stronger protection are needed to protect judicial independence. Insight from developed countries can inform the potential for reform in Indonesia, which aims to increase the integrity and impartiality of the constitutional court. I think enough. Thanks for watching. See you.